Okay, I'm gonna show you how to let's get straight to the point. I'm gonna show you how to do check the tire pressure. So first, you look at the factory tire pressure. So cold tire, when the tire is cold, not driven, early in the morning, 35 psi pressure for the front and for the rear. Okay, it's typically on the dorsal, driver's door. The end, very easy. Just unscrew this. This is a tire gauge. Any auto store will have it for sale. See that? 32, 34, 36, yeah, 36 psi. It's good. Again, this, just hold it and come back out. If the tire pressure is low, like under 30, then you add more air in there. If it's too much, then you loosen the air, like let the air escape from here. Just press this button. Use this little button. Just press this valve right there. Let the air escape. That's it. Easy peasy. Close it back up and you're done.